There is skill sets that are needed to drive implementation, both from a design side, training the models, testing the models, and it's not an easy feat. It's very complex. So the first one we see, and I think it's pretty well known in industry, is the lack of talent, right? The challenge you have is the market for this talent is extremely, extremely hot. So you have the ability to hire. I see a lot of folks come and go in clients that we work with in very short orders of time because they're in high demand. The second piece with that skill set, though, is we're also seeing, I call it theoretical to practical experience. Because a lot of these things are new, it's very difficult to kind of go from, I've had the experience of, I theoretically create this model, now I'm going to ingest data, I'm going to see what it looks like from a reality standpoint, is a big challenge. Right. That's one of the things we see. The second piece we see is an old challenge that companies have had. So it's easy for parts of the organization to go try AI engines, right? You can go try ChatGPT. There's all kinds of different ones you can try. The concept that is really slowing down adoption is what they used to call shadow IT, and now they call it shadow AI, is you've got all these different departments trying to solve their point, and it's a challenge when it comes to driving the actual better use cases and understanding the larger enterprise deal from I call it execution standpoint. So it really slows things down. And then the third piece that we really see is companies are getting very weary of two things: security around their data, as well as the ethics of how they use these engines, right? So they want to make sure as they generate these kind of models and solution sets, they stay within the boundaries, both of what they feel comfortable as an organization, but also legally making sure they do things that are not going to cause any grief.